Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create soft glow masks. Start by opening your image and duplicating the background layer to keep your workflow non-destructive. Then select the subject or highlight areas using a soft selection and refine it inside mask overlay mode to maintain smooth transitions without harsh edges. Apply the mask and add a curves or exposure adjustment layer clipped to it, gently lifting highlights to introduce a natural glow effect. To enhance softness, apply a subtle Gaussian blur to a duplicate masked layer and lower its opacity until the glow feels balanced rather than